Cora, show me how you push the button. Show me how you push the button.